Hi, Glenda. This is Richie Vasquez. I'm the newest internet sales manager here at Findlay Honda Henderson. I'm just responding to your email. I know you asked about some lower price vehicles, and in the email I'm including the description of the prices on these vehicles. Give me a call back. Let me know what you might be interested. I might be able to find it on a different lot as well. My direct line is 702-883-3408. This is Richie Vasquez, Findlay Honda Henderson. Internet sales manager. Also, I want to throw out there that if you go through the internet department and you buy this weekend only, Friday and Saturday only, you get free registration only through the internet, only Friday and Saturday this weekend. Okay, don't tell everybody because it gets out. Everybody wants it. But come on in or give me a call, 702-883-3408. You have a good day, and we'll see you pretty soon.